going to take some of this compost that I created over the years and I'm going to spread it on there. See if I can get the ground a little bit better. Ours is mostly sandy clay. It's not sandy loam, it's sandy clay. It turns into huge dust clouds whenever I mow. So hopefully all this organic material I can get worked into the topsoil and get it so that it stops being quite so dense and doesn't turn into hard packed concrete. So anyways, my plan for today, go through and do that. Now I got to take the blade and level this all out. I can go over and get some of those piles up there. Probably should get the piles first. That way I can level it all at once. That'd be good. That's all the dirt I can take out of there. I'm going to need to level the piles out so I don't have big trenches out there. That's a good truckload anyway. Now I have to let the ground dry out a little bit before I can grade it. So that's tomorrow's work. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I rate them all. I really love that 8N. It has saved me a ton of work. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the US or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.